welcome to my channel. Ayan. For today's video, I would like to share with you my new laptop Dell, which I bought yesterday in Carrefour here in Doha. So, kailangan kong mag-upgrade ng aking computer para maganda yung aking tutorial. So, unboxing tayo tonight. Ayan. So, ito ang description nito ay OS Windows 10. Okay, processor 11th generation, Intel Core i5, memory 8GB, 1x8GB, storage 256GB, graphics, hindi ko naintindihan. Ayan, drive number, color gray. Okay, so additional McAfee multi-device security in 36 months. So mahaba-haba yung kanyang antivirus. So, let's begin. Ayan. Paala-ala, mag-ingat sa cutter. Okay. Ano ba to? Excited ako. So, kagabi ko pa siya nabili. Ngayon ko lang siya i-unbox. Ayan. Kasi yung laptop ko dati is low grade na. So, mag-upgrade muna tayo. Ayan.
The next morning, the very next evening.
So, nabili siya. Kahapon, worth 2,800 plus. Okay, sale siya. What I like about the durability niya is mag-i-bike ka, maganda yung exterior niya mismo. Ayaw ko nilang patun. Ayan. Kailangan force. So, ito ang charger na. Yan siya. Ito yung charger na yan. Hindi siya. Yan. Ito yung tuwang. Okay. Ito na siya. Dandan, dandan. Oh. Dandan. Oh. Dandan. Protective. Patun. Okay. Yes. Wow! Leadless na. Cute man niya. Okay, neat lang siya. So, handy. Okay. So, excited ako. Okay. Oh, nice. Wow. So, touchscreen din siya mga bebelats ko. Ito na phone. So, kailangan yan charge. Okay. Let's boot in. Dan, 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 dan. Yan. Let's boot in. Excuse me. Saan ito ilalagay? Dito siya. Dan butas ha. Marami siyang butas. Okay. And then, i-charge natin siya. So, ang wifi nito is good sa para sa 5G. Mabilis ang connection. Okay. Yan siya. Hi, Dell. I'm so happy I have this. And this is touch screen as well. Okay. So, ito yung mismo specs niya. Safety and regulatory information. For safety. So, saan na lang siya babasahin. European Union Radio Equipment Directive. And then, yeah, there's a camera, on and off camera. You do have to slide only left and right, like that. So, USB 3.2, Gen 2 Type C. What else? It's so nice. So I've been waiting for 4 months to buy this one. So I have to say 500 in each month. Okay, but I'm so lucky that I found sale in Carrefour yesterday. So my budget fits on the laptop which I want. So I have to pick an English, continue in selective language. Yeah. Okay, I have to buy a case tomorrow.
Hi there. I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Thank you.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator.
Oh,
Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
enough intro. Let's dig in. Just a
Your
moment.
region is set to Qatar. Is that right?
Yes.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yeah.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
No.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the list? Want to use that one?
Oh, yeah. Okay, I
Now
have.
type your credentials.
Okay. have to take the Wi-Fi. Okay. It's Q. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. It's 78726 501. Enter. Excited.
Mission accomplished.
Yeah.
You're all linked up.
Okay. Next.
Now we have some important setup to do.
I have to register my email.
Now let's see what's new for Windows. Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll need to select accept to use Windows. You can decline, but then
Okay. I will be using Windows 10.
type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done.
Next. Okay. Okay. Caps lock on. Okay. 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 Beautiful.
Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done.
Why? Four digit. Have to put my birthday. And oh no, oh no, 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 no. Okay. Next. Create pin. Lights off.
Make your computer easier to use. Make your computer easier to use. Windows will read and scan this list automatically. Press the spacebar to select the highlighting option.
Okay.
Make your computer easier to use. Windows will read and
This might take several minutes. Don't turn off your PC. Okay, getting started. Sign into TrueKey and will log you in everywhere else. Add to sign in once. It's too much to sign in now.
Of course, all accounts should be signed in and should activate the new laptop.
TrueKey. It has antivirus as well. McAfee for 3 years.
Mm,
Annual billing.
sorry.
Okay, through McAfee. So it has already a McAfee. Okay. So I have to activate everything now. So I created one email Outlook for my activation for Microsoft here. So good thing that I have lots of email. I have Gmail, I have Outlook. Okay. So home. I install Microsoft Office, activate the McAfee. As now all is set. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I enjoy it. Bye. Thank you.